To buy ETHERNITY easily in 2022 using Uniswap, you need to start by installing a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. This wallet will be used to store your ETHERNITY tokens and interact with the Uniswap platform. First, go to the MetaMask website and download the extension for your browser. Follow the installation instructions and create a new wallet by setting up a password and securing your seed phrase. This seed phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet in case you lose access, so store it in a safe place. Next, you need to fund your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, as this is the cryptocurrency used for transactions on Uniswap. You can buy Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. After funding your wallet, go to the Uniswap website and connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Once your wallet is connected, you can start the process of buying ETHERNITY. In the Uniswap interface, click on the Swap button and enter ETHERNITY in the search bar. Select the ETHERNITY token from the search results and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to exchange for ETHERNITY. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount of Ethereum you are exchanging and the amount of ETHERNITY you will receive. Also, check the transaction fees, as these can vary depending on the congestion of the Ethereum network. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. Once the transaction is complete, you can verify that you have received your ETHERNITY tokens by checking your MetaMask wallet. Finally, it is essential to understand that buying cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.